what does it mean by case becomes current? Thank you for not frowning, LOL. Okay, that's a good question. When the way the immigration system is set up for getting a green card for people that are not married to U.S. citizens, parents of U.S. citizens, or minor children of U.S. citizens, there's only a limited number of green cards that become available every year. So with all the cases that are filed and only a few of them being able to get a green card, you see a line emerge over time. So they have a thing called the Visa Bulletin where each month it gets updated, and that line is, the timing of it is based on when you filed the initial case, or either a business case, an employment-based case, or a family-based case. And so, for example, that person that asked about, NBC said it's not current or Visa's not available right now. Let's say they're a sister of an Indian person. The wait time for a sister of an Indian person is like 20 years. So when they start the case and the I-130 is approved, the case gets sent from USCIS to the National Visa Center. The National Visa Center will get it, they'll notify you that they have it, but say, your visa is not, your green card's not going to be available for years, so I just want to let you know we have it, but it's going to be a while. So what that person has to do, the applicant, they check this Visa Bulletin frequently. I mean, they just need to keep updated on it, and they look at the filing date of their I-130 or the I-140, whatever their initial petition was. That's their place in line. And on the Visa Bulletin, which is on the State Department's website, as months go on, that timeline of when they file gets closer and closer to the visas or green cards that they're issuing. The immigrant visa is what they call it at the time. So that's when it's not current, meaning right now the line is too long, so they can't even talk with you about it. But when the line goes down and your place comes closer and closer to the front of the line, that's when your case becomes current. Essentially, you're getting to the front of the line, so you're current to be able to deal with them, that kind of stuff. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please click subscribe down here and ring that bell to get the latest updates. Also, please follow us at the links above on these various social media sites to catch the latest information, live videos, and more to help you be updated on U.S. immigration.